yourself every day what you were yesterday, what you are today, what you are going to be tomorrow.
Let's come to the point. Now may I invite for his speech Muhammad Ammar. You please come on the stage and exhibit your performance.
The creator, the sustainer, the provider, the protector, the creator and the one who has absolute control on it and everything. I am Muhammad Ammar. I would like to thank Allah for this precious occasion. I stand here today to deliver a talk on never compare yourself with others. Not to individual talk the same way, not to individual word the same way, not to individual live the same way, not to individual sing the same way. So never compare yourself with others. Instead of comparing yourself with others, ask yourself every day what you were yesterday, what you are today, what you are going to be tomorrow. Dear audience, if you fall victim to the habit of comparing yourself with others, you will lose your energy, you will lose your confidence, and you may even lose your belief in God. And believe me, when you start losing your faith in God, you will land up lots of trouble. You may even tear it loose, and no doctor, no exorcist could help you to cure your disease. If at all you have developed a